Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to buy gift cards on Shein. So first of all, launch open Shein application on your device. You can see over here Shein application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So initially you'll be led to the shop interface. So if you want to buy the gift card, what you have to do is tap on the me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now right over here under your profile, you'll be able to find the options like coupons, points, etc. Tap on this option gift card that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the gift card interface of Shein. You'll be able to see the bestseller gift cards over here. So if you want to buy the gift card, what you have to do is simply scroll down to see more options. After you do that, find the gift card that you like the best and tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to buy that particular gift card. You can select the design over here. You'll be able to find various designs. Simply tap on the design of your choice. Likewise, you can also select the value. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the value of your choice and it will be selected. Likewise, what you have to do is enter the recipient email address over here. Tap on the field of 2. Now what you have to do is enter the email address of the recipient over here. Likewise, enter your name. Tap on the field of from. Now what you have to do is simply enter your name. Now if you want to send them a message, what you can do is simply enter your message over here. Tap on the field of message. Now enter your message over here. Do not exceed 250 characters. Now you'll have to agree to the terms and conditions. Simply check on this option that you can see on the screen. Now tap on this option checkout that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to confirm the recipient's email address. See the email address properly and tap on this option confirm. Now you'll have to proceed to the payment. Also make sure you've selected the shipping address. You can see over here I've already done it. Likewise, select the payment method over here. Tap on the payment method of your choice. Right now credit or debit card is available. Now tap on this option pay now that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be asked to enter your payment details. What you have to do is simply enter your card number, expiry date and CVV. After you do that, simply follow through the prompts in order to confirm the payment. Now after the transaction has been completed, you'll be able to receive the gift card or the recipient will be able to receive the gift card. So like this, you'll be able to buy the gift card. So that is how you buy gift card on Shein. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.